Hey, happy Friday. Yay! We made it. All of us little peons, little working people, men, we made it. Woo! Another week. Some weeks are worse than others. Frame it in a positive way. Some weeks are definitely better than others. Some weeks are great. Some weeks just suck ass. Like, oh my God. This week wasn't bad. It was just like 3 months long. Because originally I thought I was going to be off Monday, and then I found out we were not off Monday. So then I feel like I got cheated out of a day off, which made the week seem a hell of a lot longer. What's the matter, Pumpkin? I tell you what, I came up here. My dad just left. He was here, and we visited for a little bit, and then we went out to eat, and I had really good banana pudding. I actually had a cheeseburger and fries. It was the best damn cheeseburger I've had in a while. We went to Jake's Diner, and it was great. That burger was great. It was grilled. Like, oh my God, it was so freaking good. And the fries were good. And then we had some banana pudding for dessert. It was delicious. It was so good. Oh my God. They have really good desserts there. Shockingly good desserts at Jake's Diner. So we have the banana pudding. Because I've had the banana pudding there. It was a long time ago, but I remember it being really good. It did not disappoint. So, well, I have to tell you my dad's story. Okay. Only my dad, Marty, wants to come in. He's sticking his hand under the door. Don't you let him in here. She hates him. She freaking hates him. Well, he attacks her for no reason. He'll come in here and run her off the bed and then leave. He'll just do it just to be an asshole. And then he'll just leave. Like, I made you move. Or he'll get right where she was laying because it's nice and warm. Asshole. Don't beep at me. I'm not going to let him in right now because look at that face. She's looking at the door like, don't you freaking dare. Hate him. So anyway, okay, my dad had to go get his hearing checked. So he went to this place in Cartersville to get his hearing checked. And he has hearing problems. And I'll leave my dad. So his appointment was at 12:30. He said, I was there by 12:30, my appointment time, and I checked in and everything, and I sat there, and it got to be 3:30, and I'm thinking, why the hell didn't you say something? I would have got by about 12:45. I'd have been up at that window like, excuse me. He sat there. He said, well, I brought a book. I didn't even realize I'd been sitting there that long. I'd been reading. I didn't even realize it'd been that long. And so he finally, this lady comes out. He said, this woman came out. And she said, who are you? And he told her. And she said, well, what? Your appointment was at 12:30. He said, I know that. She said, well, sir, we came out here and called your name twice. He said, I didn't hear you. She said, well, your appointment was 3 hours ago. We close at 3:30. And he said, well, I don't know what you want me to do. And she said, I just don't understand. You say you've been here. Yes, ma'am, I've been here since 12:30. You've been sitting here this whole time. I was reading a book. Well, did you not hear us call your name? And he said, I looked at her and said, do you know why I'm here? I'm here because I can't hear anything. You probably did call my name and I just didn't hear you. Because that's why I'm here. Because I can't hear. Anyway, it's just hilarious. Like, you're at a place that does hearing tests. They probably need to come out there with a bullhorn to call people's names. I mean, not everybody's there for that, but, He said it was funny because I heard him call other people's name. I never heard him call my name. They must have whispered my name. Anyway, they got him back there. They did the hearing test, and big shock, he has hearing loss. They do this thing. I didn't know that. I haven't had my hearing checked the last time I had my hearing checked was when I worked in a Black & Decker factory, and we all periodically had to get hearing tests, some kind of OSHA something or other. They were trying to get ISO certified, and so we all had to go to get this hearing test where you go to this facility and they put you in a room and they do these different tones. You have to raise your hand when you hear whatever, and my hearing was great. There was nothing wrong with it. We had to do that more than once. I remember But my God, that was back in the mid 90s. So it's been a minute since I had mine checked. I don't think I have a problem. But anyway, they cleaned his ears out. He said they put this stuff in my ears, and it was a liquid, and they had to let it set, and then they pulled it out. He said, "You won't believe how big that cavity is in there." He said, "I told that lady I knew I had a hollow head. I had no idea it was that bad. Didn't know the cavern went that deep." So they fit him. They did a mold or something to make his hearing aids so like they fit in your ears, and and then they sent him on his merry way. But he said, I never had such a frustrating experience at a doctor's office in my life. I said, well, in the future, if you've been waiting more than about 20 minutes, I'd go up to that window just to see what's going on. I mean, you checked in, didn't you? Yeah, I checked in. And then they forgot about me. They said acted like they didn't know I was there. They thought I'd left. I was just sitting there reading a book. I didn't hear nothing. Because I can't hear nothing. Only my dad. Oh, my God. Okay. So we had a nice visit. And so he's left. And I was just sitting here. And I took my shoes off. And I took my shoes and socks off. I'm sitting here. And my left foot, I could feel it starting to cramp. And I'm going to tell you, this stuff right here, I know I've talked about it before. If you have trouble, because I do a class one night a week that involves a lot of like jumping and flexibility. And I find at night after that class, a lot of times I have cramps. Sometimes, even if I do my stretches and everything, you know, sometimes it's still a problem. And depending on the shoes I wear, sometimes I get cramps in the arches of my feet at night. This stuff right here, let me tell you, put a little bit of this stuff wherever you're having a cramp, it goes right away. It just smooths it right out. It's Magnica. And you get it from Uari Soap Company. What is their website? I always plug this. I just used it. I just put it on my foot and the cramps are gone. uresoap.com, I believe, is their website. But it's the Uari Mountains. They're based in Troy, North Carolina. And they make everything there at their facility. And they make this there. It's made out of, what is it made out of? It's got a bunch of stuff in it. I don't have my let me get my glasses. I can't read shit without them. All right, I got my glasses on. I'm getting attacked by one of my own hairs. Okay. Let's see what's in this stuff right here. Pumpkin, you want to hear this? It's exciting. Marty is reaching under the door. His little hand. Marty. Y'all. I cannot let you in here. Pumpkin said you can't come in. That one little paw. I'll let him in later, but I'm not going to let him in right now because I'll tell you what he'll do. He'll come in here and he'll run Pumpkin off the bed and there will be a whole scuffle and then he'll chase her under the bed and try to like attack her. He's kind of an asshole. I mean, I like him, but he's a jerk for no reason. I don't understand it. All right, Magnica. It's good for joint pain, cramps, sore muscles, and bruises. It has pure water, Dead Sea salt, magnesium, coconut oil, hydrosodium copolymer, arnica montana, lecithin, niuli, I can't read that. Aloe, clove oil, cinnamon oil, lemon oil, rosemary oil, myrrh resin, frankincense oil, eucalyptus oil, and peppermint oil. Proudly made in Troy, North Carolina. This stuff is awesome. I love this product. It smells crazy because it has all these things in it. It has a very unique scent to it. You get used to it though. I'm gonna tell you, if you have muscle cramps or anything, this stuff is awesome. It is so great. And a jar like this will last me a year. I mean, easily, because you don't have to use much of it at all. This is like the 4-ounce jar, I think. Doesn't actually say. But yeah, I've had this jar for at least a year. And it lasts, and it's so great. I keep it by my bedside, and I don't like sticking my finger in it, so I have this little paddle. I have this little plastic paddle to scoop a little bit of it out. That way I don't have to, because it always gets under my fingernail, and I just can't stand that. Fantastic product. It is, if you have muscle cramps or soreness or anything, the best product I've ever used. and cramps, a cramped up muscle like your calves or your arch or whatever's cramping up, just massage a little bit of that into your skin. It just melts the cramp away. It is glorious, especially at night when I can't sleep because I have a leg cramp or something. Fixes it right up. I just get pissed because I have to get up and apply it. Like, damn it, I'm trying to sleep. I got a great thing in the mail today. And as they say, for you Gen Xers, I'm about to unlock a memory for you. I got a Merlin. We had one of these when they came out. My brother got one for Christmas. I'm going to turn it on. Do you remember what these sound like? It looks like a big old phone. Yeah, so you can play 9 different games with this little bitch. I only remembered how to play tic-tac-toe. To play that, all right, so this the squares in the middle, the 3 rows there. So you have to pick one, and then you come down here to where it says comp turn. I can't do this one-handed. So then the computer takes a turn, and then it's your turn again. See, I go there. So the computer, you know where the computer's going to go. Right there. So we don't, you want to hear what it sounds like when the computer wins? It literally laughs at you when it wins. So ours are the flashing lights. The computer, the Merlin has the solid lights. Listen, I'm going to let it win. Listen to it laugh at us, little asshole. So that's how you play tic-tac-toe. There are other games on here, and fortunately, it takes 6 damn AA batteries, and they keep falling out. Like the back of it doesn't stay on too well. It keeps coming off. I'm going to put some tape on it or something. But you put the batteries back here. These things are fabulous. Did I turn it on or off? Oh shit, I turned it back on. Shut up! Okay, hold on. I got it excited. This one actually came with the instruction manual. Look at that, Parker Brothers. So it's really great. Try to beat me at tic-tac-toe. Teach me a tune in Music Machine. Test your memory in Echo. It's kind of like Simon. Do you remember the Simon game? You push the little things and you have to do what the thing does. Beat the dealer at Blackjack 13. Break my code in Magic Square. Test your logic in Mind Bender. Now, I do remember playing Blackjack 13 and Echo. I remember playing that. It was my brother's. Oh, and here you have little songs. You could play Knick Knack Paddywhack, London Bridge, Mary Had a Little Lamb, Old Folks at Home, On Top of Old Smoky, Red River Valley, Row, Row, Row Your Boat, Frere Jacques, Cockles and Mussels, Clementine, Blow the Man Down, Beethoven's Ninth, Old Lang Syne, a Rovin'. What else can you do with this little thing? I don't remember. Oh, it folds out big. Look, wow. Hold on a minute. So I'm going to play with Merlin this weekend. Yes, I am. I'm very excited. The Electronic Wizard from Parker Brothers for 1 or 2 players ages 7 to adult. Merlin is a remarkably intelligent computer. Through light and sound, he plays 6 different games of chance. I thought there were 9 games. Plays games of chance, strategy, memory, logic, and skill. You can even teach him to play music. As you compete with him, you'll discover that Merlin is very talkative. It is a very loud thing. Drove my mom crazy. She hated it. I wish I'd never got you that for Christmas. Talking to my brother. He speaks with a unique vocabulary of 20 electronic sounds. With these sounds, he challenges you to a game, responds to your moves, and tells you when you've won. Also laughs at you. Lights are part of the action too. Blah, blah, blah. So we have Tic-Tac-Toe, Music Machine, Echo, Blackjack 13, Magic Square, and Mind Bender. Oh, we have proper care instructions. Merlin's computer brain is made of many delicate electronic parts. Therefore, never take Merlin apart. My brother took it apart because he wanted to see how it was made. Don't drop or jolt Merlin. Don't you jolt Merlin. Piss him off. Take care not to get Merlin wet. It's like a damn gremlin. When pressing one of Merlin's buttons, touch it lightly in the very center. Pressing hard is unnecessary and can damage the game. Don't use a pen or pencil to press the buttons. Use your fingers only. Okay. Anyway. Oh, with an AC adapter, you can run Merlin on house current instead of batteries. That's pretty cool. I didn't know it even had that. Shit. So then they tell you how to play the 6 games. I swear I thought there were 9. There are not. Anyway, all this blippity blop tells you how to play. It's like a damn road map. Hold on. I will never figure out what the hell happened here. Oh shit, I got it. Okay. So I'm going to be playing with that. Okay. So I was very excited. Nobody here cares. I just thought you would find it kind of cool. My kids were like, why did you buy that? I got a deal on it though. Some of these are really expensive. I got this one for like $25. I was very excited because I had one. I had one of these. And I think it was actually my brother's old one. And I got it out. And you could tell there was something rattling around in it. Something had come loose. And it didn't work anymore. And I didn't feel like trying to figure out what it was. But I sold that one on eBay for $15. And I got this one for $25. So this one's like $10. And it actually works. And it came with instructions. I didn't have instructions with mine. So I sold mine as not working and for parts. And somebody bought it for $15. Some of these things are like $75. It's crazy because I don't think they make... Well, maybe they do make them. I don't know. But these were from the 80s right here. You got a big-ass speaker. And then see, you have your little option buttons down here. New game, same game, hit me, computer turn. Oh, it does have a little... I never noticed that. A little... Yeah, look right there. You plug in the thingy. Nice. So... You know what I'm thinking about doing? I have something very exciting to show you, and I'm not going to mention this on my other channel at this point. I thought I would let y'all know about it first. I discovered today that the Books A Million down in Asheboro is still there. I thought it had closed. I must be thinking of something else. I must be thinking of some other... What am I thinking of? I don't know, but apparently the Books A Million is still in Asheboro down there at the mall. And I want to try to get down there and make a video in Books A Million. I've had several people ask me to do another video in a bookstore. And we do have a Barnes & Noble here. I don't want to go there, though. I thought I'd rather go to Books A Million, honestly, because I haven't been there. We went there several years ago. I haven't been back since. So I thought I could do that and then check out the nail polish at the Walmart up the street after that. So I might try to do that Sunday. I don't even know that I will because I do have some stuff I have to go do this weekend. I do have some stuff to get done and some places to be. But now that I know that Books A Million is still there, at some point I want to get down there and see if I can make a video in Books A Million. And I could even check out the mall while I'm there. I haven't been in that mall. Oh my God. The last time I was in Randolph Mall was when I made a video there a number of years ago. Look at Pumpkin. Pumpkin, you look like you are ready to kill me. How'd you know? How did you know that? Like you can read my thoughts. Pumpkin? Hey, do you want a thing? You want something? She wants me to shut the hell up. Stop talking. Stop talking. Pumpkin, put my laundry away. I got a whole basket full of clean clothes. Why don't you go put them up? You haven't done anything all day. Just hang out in here all day. You didn't put up any of my laundry while you were up here. That basket's been sitting on the bed since I left this morning. Guess I'll have to do that too. But the thing I wanted to tell you that I was very excited about. Okay. This is something I've been wanting to do for a while, and I finally did it. It hasn't happened lately because I haven't made any videos sitting in a parking lot in a little bit. Whenever I am out and about in my car, people notice my bumper sticker. People take pictures of it. I see them at stoplights. I'll be sitting at a stoplight and I can see the people behind me taking a picture of it. If there's somebody else in the car, they're pointing at it and they're laughing. Everybody loves my bumper sticker, and several of y'all have commented like, what is your bumper sticker that people keep looking at it? People ask me about it all the time. Whenever I'm walking through a parking lot, like if I go to Walmart or the grocery store or whatever, people will at least say, I love that bumper sticker. That is so true. I love that. I say that all the time. So I decided I would have some printed up. It was a custom bumper sticker that I had made after years and years of driving in stop and go traffic in congested areas and just noticing how people drive. I would have this one question run through my mind all the time, to the point where I had a bumper sticker made to put on my car to ask the people behind me this one question. And several of y'all have asked me what it is. I have 250 of them. Why are you racing to a red light? 250 of them. Yay! This right here looks exactly like the bumper sticker on my car. It is stylized thusly. And so I am going to be selling these on my eBay page. I figure that's just the easiest way to do it. So I'm going to be selling these. If you're interested and you want one of these, I promise you, if you have one of these on your car, people will be taking pictures of it at stoplights. They will say shit to you in parking lots. So everybody loves this bumper sticker, because here and everywhere I go, my God, and I drive around the city a lot. I see this everywhere I go. People will go snorting around me, and we end up at the same damn light over and over and over again. Like, dude, you are getting nowhere. But you know what I've noticed with this bumper sticker on my car? I think it actually happens less. I think people read this and they go, I mean, I don't know. I don't want to prove her right. I swear, I think this bumper sticker changes people's behavior. If nothing else, it gives a lot of people a laugh. And in this day and time, I feel anything that can make you smile and make you laugh is a very good thing to have. So I think you need this bumper sticker right here. Right now I have 250 of them. I have promised one to somebody, so I actually have 249. These are just like mine. They are high quality, glossy vinyl bumper stickers, 10 inches by 3 inches. It stands out. You need one of these. You know you do. So I'm going to put a link in the description of this video. I'll pin a comment with the link to if you want to buy one. And if you buy more than one, you get a discount for the more you buy, the more you save, that kind of thing. So get you a bumper sticker. I'm only going to put this on here at this point. Depending on how they sell, I may get more made. The shipping's going to be free. I'm not going to charge you anything for shipping. I will pay for that. I've bought a bunch of mailers to mail them in, and I will cover the postage and everything. So if you're interested in a bumper sticker, check out the pinned comment, and I will put the eBay thingy in there. But that was something I thought about for a long time before I even made the first one to put on my car. And then I got to thinking, because people would ask me, where did you get that bumper sticker? I have to get one. I have to have that. And I would tell them, I just had this one made. Like, really? You had that made? Yeah, you can have bumper stickers made. It's not difficult. But they would say, that's cool. That's really funny. I love it. So get you a bumper sticker. And yeah, I'm not going to say, I'm just telling y'all about it. I'm not going to bother mentioning it on the other channel. Because like I say, I only have this many. And, I don't know if they'll even sell, but I wanted to put them out there. If you're interested in buying one or two or however many you want, I just wanted to let you know about it. Just something I felt like doing. But anyway, it is damn near 10 o'clock at night. I haven't had a shower. I have to change out my nail polish. I need to go to bed at some point because I got to get up in the morning. I actually have somewhere I got to be in the morning, so I want to get my nail polish done tonight before that because I don't want to be messing with it in the morning. So anyway, it is the weekend. I hope you have a wonderful one. It was really windy here today. It's supposed to be really windy tomorrow too. Sunday looks really great though, so I'm looking forward to that. But happy Friday night. Happy weekend. I hope you have a great one. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you again soon.